Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video from Gadget Shop. In this video today, we will take you through the top 10 best-selling car seat protectors that you really need to know about. Stick with us until the end and make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 10. Diona Ultra Matte Car Seat Protector. This Diono Ultra Matte Car Seat Protector boasts a close to universal design that fits each car seat we attempted it with, both front and back seats. It features 5 distinctive layers of materials, including comfort foam, which helps with water resistance, and a trio of mesh pockets along the base for the storage of toys and necessary items. We also love that it has been crash tested for safety, a component placing it in the list. However, this is a very much made car seat protector. It just ships with a restricted 1-year warranty, which is significantly less than a lifetime warranty found with our top pick. Also, this thing is machine washable, which is pleasant, yet can't be put in a machine to dry. Another extraordinary option is the Britex vehicle seat protector, which features raised edges to forestall fewer messes and catch food crumbs and spills. There's also front seat guard shields for any soil on kids' shoes. The thick padding uses non-slip material for added safety grip, yet this protector does not cover the whole seat shockingly, leaving the car seat back exposed. Number 9. Smart Elf Car Seat Protector. This Smart Elf Car Seat Protector arrives in a multi-pack of 2 units similar to our number 4 pick that we will further discuss, while coming in at an incredibly budget-friendly price. These are produced from using great polyester that is both waterproof and slip-resistant and excels at shielding car seats from damage caused by the plastic bases of kid booster seats. We also loved the large pockets running along the last, an element in accordance with several different picks on this list. However, the polyester components are waterproof. This is a slightly flimsier design than some products on this list, with each seat weighing just 5 ounces. Moreover, this multi-pack does not come with a warranty, past what you get upon your underlying Amazon purchase. Another product worth considering in case you're on a tighter spending plan is the Amazon Basics Waterproof Car Backbench Seat Cover Protector. This fits most cars and SUVs and protects your whole back seat from scratch marks, soil, messes, and so on. This could be an incredible product for transporting pets, yet it may not be the best option for a youngster's car seat. Number 8. Fortem Waterproof Car Seat Protector. This Fortem Waterproof Car Seat Protector comes in a multi-pack containing 2 units, each being manufactured with excellent Oxford material, which we observe to be both waterproof and easy to clean, settling on it a decent decision for those with pets or toddlers. We also preferred the large pockets on the base, which are incredible for the storage of toys, first guide kids, or other miscellaneous items. However, these car seat protectors were very easy to install. It just attaches to the seat by means of one latch, which is less than some different products on this list. Also, the edges are not measured, implying that spilled liquids will have no place to pool, so they could wind up spilling over. Number 7. Munchkin Brica Elite Seat Guardian Car Seat Protector. This Munchkin Brica Elite Seat Guardian Protector has been certified to stay secured during different car tests, making this the safest car protector on this list. It is also incredibly easy to install, requiring only the connection of some simple latches, and features hardcore footing on the 2 sides of the protector, ensuring that it won't slide awkwardly. We also preferred the color-safe construction, which won't bleed colors onto the upholstery. This Brica Seat Guardian is a universal car seat protector that is compatible with all baby car seats, and the rear-facing kick mat provides complete seat back coverage for those rear-facing car seats. It uses adjustable straps to secure the back panel to the back seat headrest. This is a well-made thing manufactured with great materials and is accessible on Amazon.com. However, it does incorporate a warranty of any sort, which might be a side road for some consumers. Number 6. Lusso Gear Car Seat Protector. This Lusso Gear Car Seat Protector is accessible in 2 sizes, suiting adults and kid car seats, and 5 interesting color options suiting almost any aesthetic. It is made from thick PVC leather alongside some Oxford texture trim, and does an extraordinary occupation at resisting sweat and liquids. The car seat protector also comes with various large pockets running all through, which are an extraordinary way of storing necessities such as first guide kits. Number 5. Gorla Universal Fit Waterproof Car Seat Protector. The Gorla Universal Fit Waterproof Car Seat Protector is assembled essentially for safety, as it features coordinated enemy slip straps that help secure lock the cover set up. It is accessible in 3 extraordinary color choices, assisting with suiting numerous aesthetics, and comes with a free seatbelt protector that matches the chosen color. It also boasts a lifetime warranty, which we observe to be fantastic. However, this thing really does offer universal fit, easily sliding on top of almost any container seat. It is genuinely weighty at 1.5 pounds, which could slightly obstruct the installation method. Furthermore, this thing is machine washable in cold water. It is not to be put in a dryer. Number 4. Helteko Car Seat Protector and Organizer. In the event that you spend a ton of time in the car, investigate this car seat protector and organizer. Every unit comes with a full car seat protector and a back of the seat protector. The two pieces come with storage. On the car seat protector, the front piece that shields the seat from the youngster's feet has mesh pockets for items like books, tissues, or wipes. The back of the seat protector offers extra storage, including beverage storage and a spot to securely hold a tablet. The viewing portion is clear so you can safely keep your little one busy with a movie during drives. These units come in dark and element waterproof material. They're easy to clean by cleaning down when required. Additional thick, they are comfortable for those who are sitting straightforwardly on the car seat protector. Number 3. ActivePETS Bench Seat Protector. Do you use all your back seats? While single seat covers designed for the back seat are decent, they much of the time do include coverage for the middle seat. Middle seats are generally an alternate size and shape than the external seats and can be elusive cover for. Luckily, this protector can keep that middle seat as protected as the external ones. It's designed to fit securely across the whole back seat using the headrest as attachment points. These units can be used with both latch system points and seat belts. They're accessible in various colors to best complement your car's inside, and knitted texture can be machine washed when required. This is a decent element for those times when a simple wipe won't cut it. The non-slip highlight keeps everything firmly in place. Elastic straps and extra flaps assist with forestalling excess slipping. Number 2. Enovoe Kick Mats. Searching for something that will shield your front seat from little feet? Consider a kick mat like this one from Enovo. This unit straps onto the back of a front seat through the headrest. A lower strap helps give extra security and keeps the seat protector from moving. These units are sleek and appealing. However, they don't give pockets or organizers and will obstruct access to the seat's back pocket. In the event that you need storage, this may not be an ideal choice for you. However, in case you're searching for something that cleans easily and holds up to abuse from small feet, this is a solid option. The mats are sleek, visually unobtrusive, and offer a universal fit, with hardcore elastic straps to assist with keeping everything in place. These back of seat protectors incorporate a lifetime, no questions asked, unconditional promise. They're accessible in black in a pack of 2. Number 1. Lyork Car Seat Protector. In case you're searching for a simple car seat protector that blends style and functionality, these sleek and solid car seat protectors from Lyork should fit the bill. You can choose from black, gray, or brown to best complement your inside. Installation is fast and easy. To secure the car seat protector, simply clasp the adjustable safety strap to the headrest and wrap up the fastening pads. The back seat of the cover is made of non-slip mesh, the ideal material for gripping and ensuring leather seats. These will fit on both front and rear seats. They are multifunctional, extraordinary for use with kids, dogs, or just for added insurance. The front features 2 spacious mesh storage pockets. The material is water resistant. You can wipe the protectors clean with a damp fabric. Note that these car seat protectors are not a universal fit. They should fit most vehicles with standard measurements such as a compact sedan, medium or large SUV, and trucks. They are guaranteed to fit the Toyota Sienna, RAV4, 4Runner, Highlander, Honda Accord, CR-V, Odyssey, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Jeep Wrangler, as well as most Volkswagens, Teslas, Subarus, Audis, Chevrolets, and BMWs. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gadget Shop for more such videos. See you in the next one.